Patrick Osajima, you can call me Katima. Shemieko, Yoja.
Ajwa Kunkumni. Mwawuni Mieko, because more.
Hey, your friend and the dust, you so who the echo, I just saw shed the echo.
The echo, that, brutal.
The echo, baby, making now, the echo.
Dear ko I dear kwampa na waje so ene die chire yeda masese muguso a edi dear ko echi ema program no eko kama medini abnaga na sade munim dada na no ye wo two segments die di kan ye wo krom segment die to so etimi interview and answer discussion eti ye beko krom ne ne amanfo akọchichin komo ye ba ye beto adwumade ne so
dear ko bedi mechi na me ma hunu dear ko
ye busua e wo krom Dr. Mensa bola control station ne ne papa e be twetwe nkomo dia o face e wo na djuma papa na tese
ba cho nyanko pa do e pa
na ade ton tese
ade ton de di bro nya wi de market ne nye asai
wo
bro nya de na kakraka be na o twi de na ye di bro nya wi de nko yi bra bi asasa
na tese ya mo ko fa student ne ba se
ah you say eye na you say dia kwa ne se niam no o ma sa asase a almost say tutu the titiri ni pep student ni close up almost tutu many niam activity ti ge besra ban ni se nka niam mla fom ye ni adwuma bia ka ho se adwuma we ya ana mesa asra de ba ku station yi gina no ye krom kwan ya adwuma enya de bia drivers ni so e complain wa ha ko mtimi comment na the whole week by 3 times mi gina aton ade die o se mitimi kan no so kan visa ade a e ha wa ha pa yi tenu so ye besra ban na sa akide ye besra no no onye mai oye no so me nke be dana se
ene yes ye beda wase se wanya bre ama de eko na oni ya twetwe nkomo beda wase papa say ne how ne say eye pet students any close up matoto mo ne mam enti omo ko na omo ko fa omo nya mfa so e fa bi nhwefie enti ye besra campaign ni se monte so na ne ma enko fom e momo ye se Ghana mu ayeden ko so na hwede ya eko
deko bedi meki na ube hunu deko
Yako krum ya ba moti amanfo beboso asem ade o habe ne bere tudwa se mpanyufu amowo bebro no ne so no monyama be kama se na be ya Ghana betumpon na de eye interview na ye ne abrantie fefefe bia abre nyina yeta hu makeup artist a ne be ye ma na abrantie we de be ma so no nya asam keto na oyo makeup a esense bampo ayo makeup ayo Ghana ho na brai ye be ka se oye djuma na oye fashion designer esan ye makeup artist Nidindi Emos Beyako. Emos ma say dinana.
I won't say dinana.
A fashion and modeling agency. I will Kumasi Papa Kwaba. Oh why for?
That's so high for far.
Emos, what's your contact? One mommy be.
And we have a casa about makeup into yes, Samukaka.
Yes, Samukaka. Emos, I didn't inspire my be into fashion and makeup artists.
Me as individual anangasano boni free be me a very artistic many J in San Juma ho into fitting me collaborate with e ade na many J ho into eno school na me call visual art school at the call KNUST call textiles and fashion and I'm DBA me company which is a modeling and a fashion agency exactly.
Okay. And ye brai e ba be kire makeup said ye yeti eyebrow said ye obey makeup e wo fie na also say onye se wo ya ye from kwa no be kwakofa bi se be your makeup abere bia na bad ye makeup e kan wabera bo ho said de bia obey look strong ko me nimu ye na de oba be ye na nim so ba besua ti ye wo model fefefe bi wo fie ha ye de ne e ba be kire said ye makeup mame akwa baba de ye koso arade Emos Hey, Abra. Hey, sister. Pache frose. Oye sewa kotampa. Hey, Emos mpacho model muchre mo nanti
ye training nia, ye train nanti, ye train the way sikasa.
The way is na.
The way sits na exactly. Tini nia kanyama ye wo dwumekuwa.
Mo ye wo ayo Ghana.
Ayo Ghana.
Okay, Mate, ene sisi no Emos shasi na eja ahwefo ehu sede be makeup sede be bibia
intini ye model say one ye be man in the robe no ahye ans na be makeup pia o your wedding na wo fia o pesa o cover our body ans wahye makeup na so that ends dey ni watade
enti ade we no wo hye anasa nya atade kwati
morning robe adanya big cape Woko barbering salon say ma obi bi de kata woko. E bia wa sha atade white na be makeup because makeup color wom one careful and na ko atade.
Then protect it
exactly.
Okay.
Into no machine rope fefe fancy be start. Say wa any more da hot fine. And I makeup and so even though say a church and makeup and now say yes makeup we need so make sure say we need at the home. You have to take good care of your skin. It's also depending ye. Say so did ye only monsieur ye. Oh your makeup now be fierce. So you make sure you wipe and clean everything off your face.
And what
that. So those are some of the tips they say. Yeah, chef one so munya. So now we are about to start. So what has her face primed already? Yeah, priming the name da.
Okay.
Into the name I prepared for powders, the foundations are the back.
Okay.
So me shall see my family is fully brush me brushing in the chin, you know. And then in fashion a high brows naba highly defined brows naba. So now brown pencil, a dark brown pencil, especially Ghanaian ladies yet yeah body tonation, unya dark brown pencil are very common on the market. Into unya wash a pen and camera now they define your brow no. And one I will hear the I the ACC with him no. Inti se uko yini ni egu a emwa ye shape na keke e man ne do pen maybe ya no akọ yini ni egu ni asa the pencil abeden abedro inti se make sure say enwi no e bi wo ho a obe yusu nene ne ye day makeup obitin ya akọ ejuma e bi sorry na ye sound transition ya aye evening makeup or evening glam makeup. Say the alcohol party.
It will make up you used to the daily.
Exactly.
What do you call event?
Events, especially evening.
Evening, okay.
See the spool in room.
You see what draw we obey any day.
Maybe feel like a cra.
Okay.
May the brow powder will come now so pe brow fill and brow definer. A baby be a mouth. A pencil no wax will maintain all the way any failure. Now man a natural tone and natural effect. See a feeling like a cra. So you are not Sandy in a film. Schooling in a film. Now blend the camera.
When nature not the whole
fine. See, Philia Masewa.
Just say no really in China. So if you know why you make up no really in China, the MBN was so.
I still conceal in China. Now it's near defining a fine. Into no foul angle brush, a brony for an angle brush. Who could Joma, Ubenyebi? And only a fear come and say the whole flat. And then one for concealer, and a jomebu, a man or more quahunia tuntumbi. One for shade that air or skin tone lighter, or share what the way to say, why skin tone. I won't say a light.
A light.
Internal. Or fat near the shade air light, like a car, not there to any nasty. So, dear, draw line, a come. E shape no.
Today we are all dry days. A many may ya meet my inesa.
Oh, it was shy take a car. O practice ya be perfect. Yeah, you want yama be or ha. Or my product be or ha won here brush. Make up there so make sure so blend in a camera. One blend in a camera pet now quite caricature. It's all blending it. I quite caricature winning.
Said before.
Emma when you by blending be neater, natural fine, even though sell the products I then after winning. Into no.
See, idea for Fanny and G. A
Oh, Emma when ye chino, eba out, agent ho kama. Into I no so define way money. Oh, pepper or eyebrows, and I say, when ye near chinia when you be. Tina nyamema ye enwine nti no wo define ne fine na enne ma wenim dua no ejina ho yi
enne ma wenim dua no jina ho ampa ye be kwa kwaje nkratfo ye gusua ye makeup ne ba ye be to program no so.
Hello, your friend is of Mama na Hayford. Me yen century me say ye actress and then you ma who do pii ekeka ho and na madwuma dinti ma po me den ho hia me papa na seben ma po me den ho dia eno ane chifax mixture bonje Jeffax Mr. Nti, Minister Yaria Bia, and you're so flexible. Baby, I will bet to a febia. Mitsi Mijina Papa sentence so. Just a Jeffax, Mama, your best Simwan Cassa. Minia Bema, a Bema was so why your Bema Mapa. Saint Yamiji Jeffax Mr. Tumpreco Penny say, a drone what say, yet the afar abefunim dear Quanso, and if you was swum, and I am a French croje. Yanunti, my Sadie, and one Jeffax mixture. A dray will be a drugstore, any herbal store be a bell. Nemomitie, and your mapping for, or bar or marcoleno for, and now Kola Onyenya and fear Dumien. Jeffax mixture. Pa.
Do you really want to live forever? Dieko, bedi mechina ube unu dieko.
Yako akojinkrato ya ba program here no wokwe. Dieko safe no wo program ya program meeting de dieko otifia no waje so amam ene ye die chire mpako so program na ye soronko kra program yin ye di interview tim braw ye di discussion braw mosters bi bia ye de be braw mo no mo so ma hwe ne fefe ne ye hu dia eko e wo ya brabom ene society ne mu nyina papa se die ne wo ye no
yeah apply foundation yeah the foundation e fe yinim foundation ye wa hodo ye tube ones or ye liquid ones e we one chance mo so ko dwoma onya America ye America classic mark near e mo ahodo so onya ne e wo shade na e boa e ma we ni mo da ho
na mpese mbisa se die ntia ye foundation
foundation no e bia was sports bi wo we ni ma ana nkotwa bi ni ade to make cover ni nia ma we ni mo da ho kama sans or bad the anase ni pe bia ho bia de se we ni me de da ho cause makeup a therapeutic pan we ni fe be therapeutic so ka so be mrati so kwa sisi ana onye ni mo hwe ya on pene obi sam say eh menim kwa ya na inte no e build your confidence into makeup de hu hia pa obi abrabom.
Okay, inti sisi foundation here wo ye ne ye se wo kutwa na de bi wo wanim no wanim ni nyina kata na ada ho fefe se de bi ahonfe ni be pie.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we made them a blendly e faso.
But na we ye de
we are friend e wo krom beauty sponge and a beauty blender. Into you so be make sure say wet.
De wo ye ne so
makeup fix spray into be ma akanenim.
Okay.
And so you're keeping it damn kakra na say they apply. So once I made the way in efaswa bibia bedding a base fe will be a bit to be of fear you soon.
Oh, okay.
And the foundation in you should too much kakrebi.
So we used to be brebe.
We used to be brand as a woman mask when him, but who enhance when him beauty features na take a crab man no draw na water will you soon be brave take a crab for a crab then
when you ma fe
cause we had a powder kakra bed e san be faso
so we foundation here be san the powder faso na dey enter you use powder
powder na it shine so see how sha as a shine be brave when him so the powder be faso na it shine so na my foundation so atsena ni match so let me the bed 24 hours what need him cry foundation and yeah places
wow
so what were dark circles boni for be dark circles na when you see you to me the concealer kakra be den e be fa na ni ase se me fa concealer na me fa ni bi na first no we ni one sakra be den or just sure na me afa na ni ase kakra bi
sene be ya sa ade tuntun kura wo ani ase we ne be kata so na ma makeup na ye fefe
kakra bi oh we na blend bibia kama
wow nti makeup we makeup utindi chatade bia na say watade soronko e wo so ye makeup ade che
say why from makeup ye wo makeup ye dey bia fashion shows ye wo e bia call red carpet event e bia a celebrity o call red carpet event your makeup abed and obey
tinye de bia makeup
ye wo everyday makeup ye wo bridal makeup your fantasy makeup your special effect makeup or more much as ni ade we use makeup into no
nti je say makeup kan nipa ya brabo ho
expert
ade bia ye be bia makeup kan ho
kan ya brabo
nti say dia ne ya duru so no
e the powder so be dem e be fa so me fa powder me powder palette me fa shade e woni nu kakra me fa na madabe crab yeah be brave.
Okay. The home kwane e was all the powder here na se powder ne de e was say
baby ni ade ye baby a we ni na say powder na ni skin color na den efa powder ni bo ha na light too much e bi so ha na ni ma etum product so koto bi of kom na enye kama sana na ma we ni mu ni a fita after makeup no
adofo ahwefo te se makeup na agege madwene me hu dia menya kora nso wo se ye kwaje nkrato e wa aboafo ye ba ye betfo so le bibi de contour hwe ye ba.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina na Hayford. Me yen century me say ye actress and then you ma hodo pii e keka ho and na madwuma dinti mapo me den ho hia me papa na se ban mapo me den ho dia eno ane Jifax mixture. Bonje, Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia eye so flexible. Baby I will beto afa bia. Mitimi gina papa tenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best simu ankasa. Mini abema ebema wo so wa ye be mama pa senti ameji Jifax mixture tum preko pene say eduro no ho te ye de afa abefu nimde kwan so eni fidie won suom e na ye ne frenchem kroje ye no nti ma ye resade eno wane Jifax mixture edure wo benya bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi e be ho na momitie enye ma pemfo oba a o ma akwala no fo ana akwala onyanya emfie dumienu Jifax mixture pa.
Dieko, baby me tina ube uru dieko.
Ya kwa jenkrato aba program here no worship afi no wa so TV here program idi ndi de okomi anti dwande ndi abanagana ye kasa de okwa wotifi ana waje so ene ne ye di akira mpani ne ye di akira wiase ade ye aye papa na osi nipa odi akire ye guso aye hwe makeup na ne guso aye no ya aye eyebrow no aye foundation or the powder afa so kama all bibi the contour ne ye hwe ba bia contour hin so be ya otifi a woni mbe ye papa contour hin so ne dey
contour ne dey e no ane say enim no makeup ye or light ne shadow so cast shadow deeper na enim na define deeper na enim so say why ye to foundation once the first na enim ye shiny but ya to powder ne ade ye contour afi so contour ne dark powder 2 shades darker than on skin tone no so ne ye the fat jawline so ye when you say na dey afa so any one when side and side the man mo ye pa na say papa internet ya contour in kama yeah the kakra fa ne hene side and side no so yes all blend bibia fine so see I koneni we are going to do her eyes ye koye neni no so near the matte eyeshadow matte brown eyeshadow then ebe fa ne ni echi then so ye be contour eni no so kakra into no with our foam.
Ndia no so tin use foam bia.
Oh, what's me use flat foam and why they me secure me in so that makeup na pepper.
Okay.
And person me dem sabi sin in na eja print or powder content when in blend they come. A day makeup near internet. Yeah, you so color bia. It's a dark brown. Once the African skin tone they browns near more. Into no. Upeje ni na with their fat ni kusiani inside. Dobi. So yeah, far warm tone way if you eyeshadow palettes no. Mostly in coffee use eyeshadow primer. Into make use eyeshadow primer kakra. When you need so.
Eyeshadow no see your primer.
That's right.
Hey.
My eyeshadow need stay on for a long time. Uko come now to eyeshadow primer you be biama.
2 years no we are know the color here open afaso.
Afaso. Color no so the bobo so kakara. nya bibi kuntan bia
Ndi de wo ye t-shirt ade bia
oh we dey to me the she bia because
so
every day
office
makeup yeah
so wo kwa sorry wo kwa engagement baby bia obeko yi bia utim the makeup ya wo ye etim de ko okay tisa concealer here work as okokoro ma benya bi ato
primer
eyeshadow primer okay
any other professionals now they use but we need to makeup on up so we used to be a bit me a baby use so I put your out
nti area we no de ne ye beye
ye be line near to
mascara ti area na aka
to anono ne
ewie out of for program here na yeguso ayehwe no enche bia makeup ne be kwa wiye na wa uti hu hwe before no hwe after obe say makeup wo hwe eye adwuma ye papa hu se wakoto anima ode betana ase sese so hu se wakoto anim ye be kwa akwaje nkrato ye ba ye beto adwuma de no so
hello your friend is of Mami na Hayford me yen century Messiah actress and in yuma hudu pi ekeka ho enna madwumaden ti mapomi den ho hia me papa na sebe mapomi den ho dia enu ane Jifax mixture bonje Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia eye so flexible baby a wo beto afa bia mitimi gina pabo atenten so just Jifax mama your best mu ankasa minia bema Ebema wusu wa ye be mama pa. Senti a meji Jifax mixture tumpre kopeni se. Eduro no ho te. Ye de afa abefu nimde kwan so. Eni fidie won wosuom e na ye ne frinchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade. Enu wane Jifax mixture. Edure wo benya bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi e be ho. Na momitie. Enye ma pemfo oba a o ma akwala no fo. Ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu. Jifax mixture. Pa.
Yaka kwaje nkrato ya ba ye beda aboafo maso program ya ati ema ne koso na watwe bia ewo TV so nyame nhira mpa samaso ya sene se yenye niama se ni afa nkyere ba be wo fie so a beni ndie efa makeup ho ne nsem bebere ho se wa koto betena ha no ngidi pa yi se mu hu nanim sese so ye wie makeup no kora wasesa ye e kyere se makeup ewo ye kan se wa ade bi ewo tumi bi ewo nipa ya brabom papa sese hini ya duru
yeah, near to line no. Yes, here ye picture near chinwe no. That is lashes no. Say maybe our own person be share artificial lashes and man pen baby or mom painting. When your mascara fine, now the page and the camera. So now me see any.
Ntia no di page na ma ni na gina what say wa she lash no.
So wa sha say wa kote near chinwe ni near age na. Obefo say wa dey wash. No.
Enti papa say dia na de baba wie dia na aka.
Ye beto na no, ye to na no wie ha na che say ye wie. Ye to na no wie ha na ye wie. Ti wa hwe beginning na de nim dua na nkasa asesa all at once.
Nsranya okra no baka say wa ni masesa.
Inse dey makeup into the hair beto lipstick. Nice, beautiful.
Tu we wani nse ya lipstick no atade obesha no de be ya na se ne de lipstick de emfa atade
no de enhye na emfa atade ho mostly who pay during daytime opesa wa no very beautiful. Mostly who use nice moisturizer or no first I know use lipstick color nya too bright ejina baby a woko there
baby a woko
and e bia adwumadi a woko akodi Uka mia na anu ne yi ne ho kama na wa den wo de lip pencil na e define ne anu no
enti emos e was abribia he wo de pencil no e define anu no asa wa to lipstick na say lipstick here
yeah begin na dia wo de lip pencil ne define anu na e yi anu dua ne kama na den ama borders a wetimi de lipstick na den afaso so that and go beyond no.
Sir.
It makes sense a base my lipstick no. See ya there no kakra fa ne ho a. Now one's a color bem. It's a lipstick na say e pakra na no e wo wano no.
E wo wano dada.
In fact this beautiful pink. And no one is stand depending him lipstick there o kan ya na stand with him so come.
Say, yeah, we makeup here.
Day makeup.
Come on.
I'll just teach you one quick trick. I'll be you soon as 9 makeup. Nya why the dada na.
The one dada na. Anyway, they must be boy na quickie. They say you know ashafo who say we a day makeup. Na o pese anajo so a wade bi a kakra bi wo de ka ho a ebetin so de akọ anajo program. Papa we dey
anajo program obetimi assistant lip color no. To no fa we a soft pink. To me fa this dark plum red. Na me use. Oh yeah, no na it's stand depending him at once.
Yeah, no mere de ni ye koshi.
Yeah, lipstick.
Hey, ampa.
Chami. In lipstick no nya na hodo ya de eboa.
Eboa.
It's a sun depending him. Any mood. Na eyeshadow no person darken like a car. Dark eyeshadow. Till eyeshadow na was na wunya nice blending brush. Na what darken eyeshadow no. Kakre bipe. That's all you need. To for dark eyeshadow.
Dark one he na page wani mu no. Ama ofefe page ni mu no say nye makeup bia ne ye ni anopa. E de nanti makeup bi wo ha na wo say ye nye na numere ye da say eda se pa se wachre yesedia ye makeup anopa ye makeup enumere ni die ntie wo se ba akora na se nipa wo ye makeup e wo abrabom ye da se pa
perfect intino wo sha assistant we nyumro betimi dia kwa club or cocktail with friends obetimi rocky look way. So that's the power of makeup.
That's the power of makeup and pa afi ye ne fa asemba akope bia emos edi be ma yen a kire ahwefo amonhwe de ntia e wo se wo ye makeup afutu kakra bi
makeup eboa odaseni bia e man especially osan se make can begin and say a boost confidence hanse nyame achade a ode ama in terms of natural beauty ne so no baby if you be here makeup ma me papa okwa asori obi here makeup ti yentete no what we use the madhouse what it you mean no it is for everyone obi here makeup kakra o your soft o your school ni o especially from the age 16 obi here makeup kakra even your age more medium before you go on set say make sure say which way ni
when my first na be and the TV hu no hwe when ma obenya areshe mu bi no watindi ahwe program he ayede ne yasua se de ba e wo se wo ye makeup ne boost wo confidence ba wo ye makeup ahon fe he anyame de ma no yi pie pa e mo se da se de okofo ye to nsafro program yi so ba ye me producers say yemfa achede kama mma wo se adwuma pa wa afa yemfa enhye wani monyam yada ase bebre se wo baaye yede program he ebesi ha de okọ no wo hwemi antene dwamdene de abana Ghana atade fefefa a wo hwemi eye Shirley's in the day atade ne mam wo behu no wo ahojo opposite first Manjaro ho okọ ha wo behu ready fine wo bet anaso betima afre ne number 0247508080 ndam crew ase nda obibia ma program yi e ba so so wo tifia wo hwa ama sponsors ahu se be ye bibi also ya da se pass wo program yi da se ne ye besan ehia wo de okoso nyame shiro bibia
Dieko bedi mechi na me ma hunu dieko bedi mechi na ube hunu dieko meno no matiesi krom kukro abna Ghana me be fifi zemu me ba be tremo mama hunu eko menemo ye ba be hia bom o mai munse